Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Notify Me When Available button for sold out items on your Shopify store. This is useful because when a product is sold out, customers may leave your store and forget about it. But if you add a Notify button, they can enter their email and you can let them know when the product is back in stock. So instead of losing that customer, you still have a chance to bring them back later. Let's get started. Step 1. Logging to your Shopify admin. First, open your browser and go to Shopify. Then, log in to your Shopify admin account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you will see the main menu on the left side. This is where you can manage your products, orders, customers, apps, and store settings. For this tutorial, we are going to use an app because it is the easiest way to add a Notify button without doing anything hard. Step 2. Check your sold out product first. Before adding the button, you need to make sure you have a product that is actually sold out. On the left side menu, click Products. Now, choose the product where you want the Notify Me When Available button to show. After opening the product, scroll down until you see the inventory area. If the product quantity is 0, then Shopify will treat it as sold out. Also, make sure you are not allowing customers to keep buying it when it is out of stock. If that option is turned on, the product may still show as available and the Notify button may not appear the way you want. So, for a normal sold-out product, keep the quantity at 0 and save the product. Now, go back to the left side menu, click Apps. Then, look for the option to open the Shopify App Store. The Shopify App Store is where you can find apps that add extra features to your store. In this case, we need an app that can add a Back in Stock alert or Notify Me button. Once the App Store opens, go to the search bar and type something like Back in Stock, Notify Me, or Restock Alert. You will now see different apps that can do this. After clicking Install, Shopify will show you a page with the app's permissions. This page tells you what the app needs access to so it can work with your store. Read it quickly, and if everything looks okay, click Install again. After that, Shopify will add the app to your store. When the app is installed, it may open its setup page right away. If it does not open by itself, you can go back to Apps in your Shopify admin and click the app from there. Next, set up the Notify button. Now, inside the app, look for the Setup area. Most back-in-stock apps will ask you what kind of button you want to show. Set the button text to something simple like Notify Me When Available. This is clear and easy for customers to understand. You can also use Email Me When Back in Stock or Let Me Know When It's Available. But for this tutorial, we are using Notify Me When Available. Make sure the button is set to show only on sold-out products. This is important because you do not want the button showing on products that customers can already buy. And that is how you add a Notify Me When Available button for sold-out items on Shopify. This is a simple way to save possible sales, grow your email list, and see which sold-out products customers still want. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.